Hi everyone, this is the part 2 of the subject under state list. State pension, state public services, state public service commission, state pensions, public debt of the state, treasure trove, land revenue including maintenance of land records, taxes on agriculture income, duties in respect of succession to agriculture land, state duty in respect of agriculture land, taxes on land and buildings, taxes on mineral rights, duties of excise on alcoholic liquors for human consumption, opium, Indian hemp and other narcotic drugs and narcotics, but not including medicinal and toilet preparation containing alcohol. 52 is omitted. Taxes on the consumption or sale of electricity, taxes on the sale of petroleum crude, high speed diesel motor spirit, natural gas, aviation, turbine fuel and alcoholic liquor for human consumption but not including sale in the course of interstate trade or commerce or sale in the course of interstate trade or commerce of such goods. 55 is omitted. Taxes on goods and passengers carried by road or on inland waterways, taxes on vehicles. अगला देखते हैं, टैक्सेस ऑन एनिमल्स एंड बोट्स, टोल्स, टैक्सेस ऑन प्रोफेशंस, ट्रेड्स, कॉलिंग्स एंड एम्प्लॉयमेंट्स, कैपिटल टैक्सेस, taxes on entertainment and amusements to the extent levied and collected by panchayat or municipality or regional council or district council, rates of stamp duty in respect of documents older than specified in list 1, offences against law with respect to any of the matters in this list, jurisdiction power of all courts except the Supreme Court with respect to any of the matters in this list, fees in respect of any of the matters in this list but not including fees taken in any court. नाउ इसके बाद की वीडियो में हम देखने वाले हैं कॉन्करेंट लिस्ट, ऐसे सब्जेक्ट जो दोनों यूनियन और स्टेट दोनों के अंदर आते हैं. थैंक यू.